auto talent for something special. Look at this. Look at that turbo. Datsun. I think so. Not a big JDM fan, so I don't really know too much. Oh my God. Look at these things. Oh, got the Purist sticker on it too. Oh, that must be the motor over there. This is nuts, guys. They said this car is making over 700 wheel horsepower. Pure stage 2 turbos, meth kit. Some nice PBS FIRs. Those like the race spec ones with the hollow. So you got the hollow cutouts. Nice gold accents on a mineral white wrap. Check this out. Damn. Check this baby out. I don't know if it's Mystic Blue or Le Mans Blue. On studs. I think those are Apexes. Of course, it's got the 6-speed manual Alcantara wrapped wheel, cinnamon brown interior. This is legit. It's got that Nardo gray, E92 M3 red interior, 6-speed manual. Man, they got some cars here. Electronic steering wheel as well. Let's see if you guys can see that. So you got those wheels looking clean. Ta-da! Active Autowerke Midpipe. Remus exhaust. 102 mil. Carbon fiber tips. They're the angled ones. I got a great deal on these guys. Second hand, of course, you know me. It's gorgeous.
Oh, my neck hurts now. I know.
Alright, so I got my exhaust installed. I actually headed down to my buddy Rob's warehouse on the way home. He's got an M3 as well, F80, lava orange wrap, active Autowerke, stage 2 tune with boot mod, charge pipes, down pipes, and that's basically it. Stock mufflers. So what we're gonna do right now is just show you guys the difference in sound between the stock muffler and the Remus muffler paired up with that active Autowerke exhaust. But I'll tell you guys right now, this shit is loud, and it's not like it sounds bad either. It's a really good loud. It's really deep and throaty. So he's gonna pull his up right behind mine, and then I'm gonna pull up, and we're gonna do a little rev battle for you guys to take a listen to. Came on that fun run with us. Got the Flow 404s, HREs on the comp package. Let's see, comp package, yeah. Got the M Performance steering wheel. So I got some new tires. I couldn't stand the Hancooks. Honestly, they were good for like, I think like a couple weeks, and then that was it. They were shot. The fronts, they said, are a perfect tread. They're great. They're like brand new. It's a hawk flying in the air. They said the fronts are great, brand new tread, but the rears are shot already. And yeah, so I went back to Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. I mean, I just feel like they're the perfect tire, honestly. Best tire I've ever driven on. I went with a 265 front, so same as the fronts that I had on the last one, my last set of wheels, I mean, and a 305 rear section, which is a lot bigger than what I used to have. I used to have a 285. I'm going 305 for a specific reason, and you guys will see soon. So if you guys just keep watching the channel, you know, there's a lot of shit coming to the car, and a lot of content that I'm gonna put out for you guys that are interested in modding the car and what it's like to own an F80 M3. So appreciate it, guys.